Hi guys, welcome to Extreme Editing. Hope have a good day. In this video I'm going to show you gold text effect in Photoshop. First create document. For making a document go to File and click New. Then set width to 3840 pixels and height to 2160 pixels, 512 pixels per inch resolution, background contents to transparent and click Create. After creating the document, fill with number 111111 color. To fill the color, go to Layer Adjustment then Solid Color. Then select Text Tool. After selecting Text Tool, set Font Georgia Bold Regular Size 100 pt Color #FFD 700. Then type gold or you want to. For this tutorial I'm typing gold, then click Tick or Move tool. Right click on the text layer and click Blending Options. Then go bevel and emboss and copy and paste all of the value. Then go to stock and again copy and paste all of the value.
Lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel.
Click OK and done.
For the final gates to open.
If you want to add reflection, then following the steps.
Tomorrow, moving with the motion.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Photoshop videos.